Okay, so in this video, we are going to talk about how to load an image from a computer and display them. So we have the picture box to display the image, and we have the data grid view. So let's see how the code looks like. So here we have the import system dot drawing dot imaging, and we have import system dot I0. So this is going to help us load image fast from the computer into the data grid view. So here we will create this code dim dj v image column as new data grid view image column. So this is used to create a special column designed specifically to hold images. And also we have djv image column dot header text equal to image, and this is the title of the image. And also we have data grid view dot column add dvg image column. So this is used to add newly created image to our data grid view control. And we have this code too. It is used to automatically resize the entire width of the photo, either to fill it. And we have the dvg image column image layout. So this code is used to stretch the size or resize the image on the screen. And we have data grid view dot row template height. So this is used to increase the height of all rows to make the image easier to see. And we have the data grid view one dot allow user to add rows equal to false. So this prevent the user from adding new rows directly from the UI. So we have the dim image as image equal to image from afar. So this code is used to create an image object from afar on the computer. So as you can see here, this I created this is an example. So this is the location of the image on the computer, and you sh- that which I was talking plenty. Okay, so we have add a new row to the grid containing only this image. So data grid view dot row add image. So it's the same as the first one, as you can see. Sorry, what's at the top? Okay, so this code dim as image equal to data grid view one dot current row dot cells zero value. So this is used to get the image object directly from the cell that was clicked, and added to the picture box image. So here is let's run the code. This is an example. So here we have the image. So you click on this, it will display the image on the picture box. So when you click on image 2, it will display the image on the picture box. Okay. Okay. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add image from a picture box. So here, this is the interface for the user. We have the ID, the picture box, the browse image, out to the data grid view, update. So here, if the user will enter the ID and browse an image to add to the data grid view, update the image. So here we have the code. We have the code import system dot I0. So here we are going to browse an image file, preview it, and associate it with the ID, and then add both the ID and the image to a data grid view. So this so here we have the uh, a standard column for displaying text, which is the text ID, which the header text is equal to id, and we have dim dvg image column as new data grid view image, and this code is used to create a special column for displaying the images and also stretch the image. And data grid view dot columns add bracket dgv text column, and this one also add columns to the grid also. Example, maybe like column 0 equal to id, column 1 equal to image. And this code is data grid view dot auto size column mode equal to this code is used to fill the screen or force. And we have the private sub image button. So this runs when the browser button is clicked to select an image. So this goes run when the browser button is clicked to select an image. And we have the click button, the click add button. So this code runs when the add button is clicked. So try dim ms as new memory stream. So pictureballs.image save ms pictureballs.image.raw format. So dim image as bit equal to the memory stream to array. So data grid view add test id, the test the image. So catch. So this code actually is used to check errors. So here we have this code: if e dot row index greater than or equal to 0, and also data grid view dot current row is not nothing, then dim row as data grid view equal to data grid view dot rows. So this is used to check if a valid row is clicked. And also we have the test id dot test equal to row dot cells equals to 0 value to string. So this is to display the id from the cell in the text box. And also we have the dim image bytes as bits, the c type row dot cells 1 dot value comma byte bracket close. So this is used to convert the byte array from cell 1 back into an image for the picture box to display it. Or if update button. So this code is actually to update the image, the already existing image in the picture box. So let's run the code and see how it works. So here we have the id. So id 1, browse image. Let's say okay, open. So add to data grid view. Okay, so id 2, browse image. Add to data grid view. So now we have column 1, column 2, and the images. So let's say we want to update the table. So we click on maybe 1, id 1, then browse image. So open, then update. So when you update, you see the table, the cell 1 has been changed, the image has been changed because we updated the table. Okay, so thank you.